Hey everybody, and welcome to today's video. And today guys, I'll be showing you how to delete a page on your Wix website. So yeah guys, if you're editing your website and you want to add a new page or delete an old page, then make sure to watch this video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you. It is very easy to do and you'll have no trouble doing it. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys is go ahead to the official Wix.com website and log into your account. After doing that, you will want to go to your dashboard and open up your website in edit mode. So all to do that, just go ahead and click on this button right here called edit site, and this will open up your website in editorial mode. You will know you're in edit mode by the left side of the screen, where you will have all these options that enable you to edit your website. So guys, how do you delete a page? It's very simple. All you have to do guys is go ahead to this option right here called pages and menu. So go ahead and click on pages and menu, and this will open up all the pages that you have on your site. So guys, let's say we want to delete this news page right here. As you can see on the right side of the screen, there are three dots and a circle. As you can see, this will open up the options. So go ahead and click on that, and this will bring us to this new options tab where you can select any option that you need, such as settings, to copy the page, and so on and so on. And the very last option guys that you can see right here is the delete option, which after clicking it, you can see it confirms us if we want to delete our page. So go ahead and click on this button right here, delete, to confirm you want to delete it, and after doing that guys, the page will be deleted from your website. So guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.